Hello my friends, and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Now Tony's Bits on the Side is a separate playlist on Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel where I cook mainly side dishes, simple salads and do various food prep videos and the like. Now today I'm doing the Italian bruschette, which basically is toasted bread with a nice tasty topping on top. And in this case, talking of tasty toppings, I'll introduce you to the topping, which is this. This is called Nduja, which is a spicy spreadable sausage from southern Italy. It's a bit like, it's similar to a chorizo in its sort of flavour and its colouring and its heat. it's like over here you get the sort of the chorizo, you get the mild, the strong and the very strong. Well, this is more like the very strong. And tasty it is, absolutely lovely. So without further ado, we'll crack on with the dish. Okay, so I've got the barbecue going. I'll stick the bread on there just to toast it. Shouldn't take too long. Flip them over. Okay, I think that is the bread done. Nice and toasted. Okay, so I'm going to get a piece of garlic and just, it's breaking up, rub it over the bread, just to give it a bit of flavour. Great, well, the bread's got a huge hole in it, but it'll be alright. Then we get some of the meat and just basically just spread it on the bread. Spread it on the bread. By the way, this sausage is, as lovely as it is, it stains your fingers. For God's sake, don't get it on your clothes. It's full of, well, I guess it's paprika, and there's actually chili in it as well, I think. It's not just like a chorizo, which just has paprika in it. It seems to have tomato in it. Oh no, it's chili. Chili seeds, I think. That's what it is. Here's the holy one. Okay, then I'll just top each one with something slightly different to make it interesting. So these are sliced cornichon and some sliced cherry tomatoes. And this third one, get some toasted, slightly toasted pine nuts. Difficult with that hole. Might put some on the others too. And then finally, a good drizzle of olive oil. And that, my friends, is it. Now then, if you excuse me, I'm just going to have a bite. Oh. That is absolutely wonderful. It is quite spicy. There is an equivalent, a Spanish equivalent called sobrasada. I think it comes from the island of Mallorca. Very similar, but that is gorgeous. So if you can't get Nduja, I had to get this online. Couldn't find it around here. But if you can't get Nduja, you could try and find sopressata. If you can't find sopressata, well, you could get away with using chorizo, I guess. But this is the best stuff. So if you find this interesting, please like, comment and subscribe. That will be massive, really help me. And I will see you in the next video. Peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.